Imagine a world where the simple, colorful bricks of Lego pave the path to launching rockets into the vast unknown, where each piece in assembly lays the foundation for the most sophisticated of engineering feats. Today, we'll explore how the magic of unstructured play unveils formidable skills, bridging the gap from playful creativity to real-world innovation. From the very moment a child grasps a handful of Lego bricks, they embark on a journey of exploration and imagination. It's unstructured play that catalyzes this journey, allowing ideas to flow without limitations. Kids are not just building, they are experimenting, problem-solving, and cultivating resilience. When a tower falls, there's a lesson in structural integrity. When a new creation doesn't quite fit, there's an opportunity to adapt and reevaluate. A practice invaluable even in the most advanced engineering projects. This unstructured play doesn't come with instruction manuals or predetermined goals. Instead, it invites imaginations to take flight, fostering skills such as critical thinking, spatial awareness, and an intuitive grasp of physics. As they construct castles or spaceships, children inadvertently grasp the principles of balance, symmetry, and structural soundness. This intuitive understanding is the bedrock of more complex engineering concepts, the same principles that guide engineers when they design machinery or build digital frameworks. But how does this lead to rocket science? Consider NASA, where some of the brightest minds started with nothing more than toys and dreams. In a child's hands, Lego creations can transform into prototypes of tomorrow's aeronautical breakthroughs. The very essence of rocket science, innovation born from theoretical insight and practical experimentation, mirrors the spirit of play. It is no wonder that many engineers and scientists recount their childhood playtime as pivotal to their career paths. Venture further, and you'll find the stories of Silicon Valley creators who, as children, found solace in the meditative chaos of building blocks. They honed not just the ability to think critically, but also to challenge assumptions, a skill necessary for any groundbreaking innovation. In an ever-evolving world where adaptive thinking and problem-solving reign supreme, the lessons from Lego become indispensable. As we conclude, it's clear that unstructured play with simple toys like Lego lays down much more than plastic bricks. It cultivates curiosity, fuels ambition, and builds the groundwork for the wildly creative to the highly technical. From Lego to rockets, the journey reflects a powerful narrative that in the realm of unbridled play lie the seeds of future innovation and discovery. So next time you see a child deeply engaged with their creation, remember they might just be building the future, one playful brick at a time.